Good morning, class. Today's the topic is parameter. A function in C or C++ can be either with argument or without argument. So it means that arguments are optional. In function, we can use a function with argument or without argument. If we want to declare a function, then we use data type, function name, and number of arguments. This is the syntax of a function where number of arguments are optional. We can use number of arguments, or without argument we can return a function. Data type is int, function name is add, and we return two variables that are x and y, and here x and y is known as parameter. Then if we want to define parameter, that you can say a method that uses variable in the function header, and these variables are named variables, are known as parameter. We can also say that parameters are those set of variables which are used in function header, and these variables are known as formal parameters which are used in function header. If we want to call a function inside the main function, then the parameters, these parameters changes, and these parameters known as actual parameter. So we can understand what are parameters. Firstly, we understand what are parameters. Parameters are those variable sets which are used in function. Then we understand what are the types of parameter. There are two types of parameters: formal parameter, और second type है actual parameters. Actual parameters and formal parameters. There are two types of parameters: actual parameters and formal parameters. Firstly, we discuss the formal parameters. Formal parameters. Formal parameters are those parameters which are used in the function header. Formal parameters are those parameters which are used in function header. Also, we can say that the variable declared in the function prototype or in function definition is known as formal parameters. They are written in function header. The syntax is like that: data type, also we can say return type, function name, number of parameters, data type and return type is int, function name is add, use two parameters, that is x and y, and this is the declaration of a function and also called function header. So these parameters are known as formal parameters. If we understand these things with example, then we open the body of the function, take a variable that is z having integer type, and we store the value of x and y, means addition of x and y is stored in z, then we return z. Thus we print the addition of x and y with the help of formal parameters. Now we understand what are actual parameters. What are actual parameters? You see, actual parameters. The actual parameter is the argument which is used in the function call, whereas formal parameters are those parameters which are used in function definition. Actual parameter are used in function call and formal parameter used in function definition or function header. And the value of actual parameter copies into the formal parameter, and the value of actual parameter copies to the formal parameter. Now we understand with the help of example. For actual parameter, firstly we return our header files, that is hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h. In conio function there are two functions, clr, scr and getch, which are stored in conio library file. In C++ we use hash include iostream.h and conio.h. These are the header files which are used in the program. After that, firstly we declare our function header, that is int sum, int x, int y. This is our function header. This is the function header. After that, we return a variable, that is z, having integer type, and we store the sum of x and y in z. Okay. So firstly we understand the value, this is data type, this is function name, and these are the formal parameters. Which are used in, then we return z and close the function. After that we create the main function where we can call. So if we want to create the main function, see there, this is the main function. Open the body of main function, then we declare variables that are a, b and c. These variables are a, b and c. After that we return clr function. Then we use a message printer, enter the number then we scan, that is %d, comma A and B. This type we scan two numbers A and B. Then after that, this is you understand, this is calling function. C equal to sum A comma B. This is our calling function where we call, and also known as actual parameter. In C++ we also write C out, enter the numbers, and after that C in A and B. Then after that we print sum is %d, comma C, return 0. So in this program there are two things: formal parameters and actual parameters. Formal parameters are used in function header, and actual parameters are used in when we call the function. And we have already given the PDF file of this topic. You can understand what are the parameters, what are the actual parameters, and what are the formal parameters. And now you understand this example also. Thank you, class.